You know how the pagan chit-chat goes. I like R's and V's and O's. I don't really play no tic-tac-toe. Been with Chuck through highs and lows. We seen man last night, they froze. Wasn't no cameras, wasn't no pose. Just like that one time at Chella. Good thing, man, we're pulling out phones. Stay in big.
Hey babies, welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome back. If you're not, in today's video we are about to be preparing for fall. Fall is one of my favorite seasons just because of how like cool and chill it is, and it's currently a hurricane going on in Atlanta right now. I felt like this was the best time to just film this video. I'm about to fill in my lashes, but I'm just gonna kind of take you guys through the entire process of me preparing for fall today. It's such a gloomy day. It's a little bit wet. Not even a little bit, it's a lot wet because it's a freaking hurricane. It's very calm, it's very chill, it's very mellow. It's really feeling like fall. This is the season of Gilmore Girls, Gossip Girl, Vampire Diaries, and everything in between. I'm getting ready to go to Target right now, of course. I felt like I could get some room decor and different types of stuff from Target, kind of like relating to fall. I'm not gonna do too much, but I do look a little bit crazy because I do want to do my makeup.
Small talk, I like cash talk. Lady diamonds hitting, turn the flash off. I'm like Winn-Dixie, I get bags off. Baby got a pretty face, slim waist, ass off. I'ma get my own sack, bitch. I never had the bag. I ain't taking shit back, bitch. I said what I said. I was down bad.
I filled in my lashes, but honestly, barely. I'm going to Target. I just needed something so my face is not like chopped a little bit. It's still chopped, but not too crazy. Anyway, but I'm about to do like this fall makeup look that I seen on TikTok. I'm gonna show you guys real quick. I'm gonna see if I can attempt it. It's not anything too crazy, but it's just something cute so I can go to Target and look cute. Okay guys, so this is the makeup look that I'm gonna do. This girl right here. It's very natural, very light. Of course the lashes don't look like that, and that's okay, and the eyebrows probably won't look like that either, but the base is what I'm really just trying to follow.
Got the small talk, I like cash talk. Lady diamonds hitting, turn the flash off. I'm like Winn-Dixie, I get bags off. Baby got a pretty face, slim waist, ass off. I'ma get my own sack, bitch. I never had the bag. I ain't taking shit back, bitch. I said what I said. I was down bad, and they left your boy for dead. You say, girl, that fat nigga keep on.
Yeah, let's go to Target. I'm ready. It's rainy, it's wet, it's nasty. I told y'all it was a hurricane, but we're about to go get in the Uber, and I'm recording on my other camera, but it's literally wet and raining everywhere. I'm about to show y'all. It's so nasty, so wet. It's gonna get worse, y'all. Watch. Hey guys, so we're at Target now. My first stop has got to be some Starbucks because that's what I really want right now. As y'all can see, I ain't never seen no Starbucks empty like this. That's so ghetto. Like, what type of Starbucks is this? Bean Crunch, but with no coffee. And can I add coconut milk? Okay, y'all, so this is what I got. I got the caramel Bean Crunch with coconut milk and no coffee. And then I got a full-size cookie. And I'm about to drink this real quick. We'll just taste it before I go shopping. When this is cookies, they're usually really soft. I love these so much. Okay guys, so I'm about to head over to the furniture section, or like the decor section of Target, because they did have some good stuff the last time that I was here, but I just wasn't fall shopping, so this time I am. So I'm about to head over there. We're gonna see what they got. Y'all, this guy, he put his foot in this drink. Like, y'all can literally see it looks so freaking good, and it tastes just as good, bro. Do y'all see these? Do y'all see these? You can never not have another blanket. I don't know if I should get this. I think I'm gonna get this one. It's a cute little throw blanket. Put it inside because the quality is really solid. What's crazy is that I didn't even tell you guys the vibe I was going for my new room, I guess, for decorating. Going for more of the traditional orange and white type scheme. I'm probably gonna do more white than orange just because my room is already pink and gray. Y'all, look at this. They almost raided this place out, but this is so cute. Like, this is what I'm talking about. I'm gonna get this one. Yep. Okay guys, so they have Yankee candles, but I don't think I want any of these. I was kind of looking like for more of a fall scent, and I don't know, maybe my Target is just late, but I don't really see any. Let me come over here and I'm gonna let y'all know. They got like a pumpkin brulee scent, pumpkin bourbon, bourbon pumpkin, orchard cider, and they have some other random ones. I'm gonna try and see if I can like find another one from. This smells like the typical, like, it just smells real like generic. We're gonna try Autumn Harvest. This kind of smells like a man. We're gonna try Toffee Apples. But it smells like a green apple Jolly Rancher, and that's not the vibe I'm going for. This is good. I think this is the one I'm gonna get. This one smells great. I can't lie. I'm gonna get this one.
Persian rugs, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought you was Persian love. Are we turning?
We're gonna have a door decorating contest soon, so we'll be decorating like the doors outside. I've been trying to find some stuff to put on my door, but I don't know if I'll be able to because this Target is kind of like, it's like scanty, but it has just enough stuff because it's Target, you know? So I was looking at these leaves. I think I might get a couple like this and the red just because it gives fall. Like, y'all, look at that. I'm not doing a full 360 room transformation, y'all. I don't got money for all that. I'm just like doing something real calm, real sleek, real simple. So I think now I'm about to go to the hygiene section and try and see if they have me like pumpkin scented products right now, or whatever fall type of scent I can get my hands on, because I am trying to like switch from them summer vibrant tropical scents to something more subtle since it is autumn now. I'm about to enter the most popular section. I love this section with all my heart. Let's see if they got anything for the fall. Y'all, they don't. What? Not Shea Moisture got deodorant now. Hello? I don't know, y'all. What y'all think? Should I try it? Should I try one of these just cause? But I don't know. I just really like that the packaging is brown. Like, it's just giving fall. Because this one is the one that I think I'm gonna get. So let's see what it smells like. Yeah. See this brown sugar and coconut scrub? I'm probably gonna get this because real cute. Let me know if you guys have tried this soap. I've been wanting to try it out, but I'm really scared. Like, I'm so scared to try out this turmeric soap, but I'm gonna try it out today. So you can see the cart got like a certain type of vibe to it that I'm really going for, because this is like the vibe that I want to feel when I get back in the house. Guys, I have the Saltaire deodorant. I don't really like it, and y'all look at this, so ghetto. It's literally leaking. I don't really care for the Saltaire deodorant just because it's like a roll-on type of situation, but I'm gonna smell this and let y'all know what I think about it. Shock Native didn't have no more deodorant yet. Like, hello? I fake wanted some.
Persian rugs, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought you was Persian love. Are we turning up or are we wasting time?
Let me show y'all what is in my cart that I'm about to pay for. So I got these 2 fall leaves. I got this cute little pumpkin. I got another wooden pumpkin as well. I have the Dove body scrub. Hold on, y'all. Y'all need to see. It's brown sugar and coconut butter flavored. Well, I guess scented, and it smells really good. I decided to get the Saltaire. I want to put the Saltaire in this container. It's just so cute, so why not? Then I have the pumpkin bourbon candle. So cute. I know candles aren't allowed at my school, but y'all, we gonna make way, please. Come on now, we gonna make a way. Then I got the turmeric milk and lemon drop. Ooh. Cleansing bar. Apparently this is supposed to make my skin more glowy. And then I got the throw blanket. Guys, so we're in like the wallflower section. I think I'm gonna like get one of these. I like a fall scent, but not too fall. So I think I'm probably just, I wonder what this smells like. Let me try and see if I can smell it. But this smells really good. Because you're inviting me to say. So I'm at Dollar Tree right now because I need to decorate my door. So we're doing like a door decorating competition, and I signed up because I'm very creative when it comes to like stuff like this. So I pulled up to Dollar Tree. I don't know what type of concept I'm gonna go for. I'm probably gonna search it up on like Pinterest or something. Pull up my phone so y'all can kind of like see what I'm trying to go for, because I don't even know what I'm trying to go for. But the goal is to win, because they're gonna be making like a blue basket and they're gonna be giving it out. So I really want to win. I feel like everybody's gonna be doing like a black and orange type theme, and I want to be really creative and I really want to stand out. Like, y'all see all of this? I don't know. I don't know what type of vibe I'm trying to go for, but I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just throw some stuff on the wall and call it a day. So they got like different stuff like this. Like, it's just BS that they got going on in this Dollar Tree. Y'all see these handcuffs? I'm probably gonna get these. I'm gonna get this caution tape for the door. The door just gonna be ghetto, I'm not gonna lie. Yup, it's gonna be ghetto, real ghetto. I'm gonna just do whatever, I don't know, but they gonna like it. I'm here because I know I can just get like random stuff. So I'm gonna probably get like a basket like this, and on Halloween I'm gonna just like fill it up with like nonsense. Or actually I'm gonna like glue on the spiders, yeah, and the necklaces, period. This is cute. Yep. I'm gonna, like, all of this type of stuff, I'm literally gonna glue it to the wall. Yeah. I'm gonna get these. Y'all see, like, Dollar Tree got stuff like this. Hey guys, so it is the next day, and today I'm getting my nails done, and we just left the Dollar Tree. I got a couple stuff because I'm decorating my door for Halloween for this competition that like the girls in my dorm are doing, and I also just wanted to go get my nails done for fall because I am about to travel. But we're probably gonna go to like Publix and get the stuff that I want to get for these cookies that I'm gonna make, and yeah, but you guys are just gonna come along as we run some errands for fall. We in Publix right now. I'm gonna try and go to like the frozen cookies aisle because y'all know them little trending cookies. I'm trying to make them right now, and I'm not a fan of chocolate chip cookies, but I know it's gonna be good because I love me the little sugar cookie in the middle, and they just look so cute. It's my first time in Publix, and it's so like, I'm thinking it was gonna give Trader Joe's, but it's giving yeah, perfect. They don't even have the pumpkin sugar cookies. Oh well, they don't have it, but we're here. Same thing. I think I'm just gonna get the regular cookies because I was gonna do like the chocolate chip ones on top of like the sugar, but I think I'm just gonna do the regular ones just because. Yeah, y'all, I just needed these cookies, so I'm probably gonna get a snack because I'm gonna be hungry at the nail salon. Like, y'all, look at these cute little pumpkins. Really cute.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
I'm good. How are you?
Just a pedicure.
Hey.
Yes.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
So I'm gonna get a pedicure, French tip on the toes, and I have like some old gel on them, so we're trying to like get them off.
Talking all the shit that you done been through. Yeah, say that you a lesbian, girl, me too. Hey, girls want girls where I'm from. Hey, yeah, girls want girls. Girls want girls where I'm from. Yeah, girls want girls. Yeah, girls want girls.
I need you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah, yeah. I find you, I gave you all you needing. I know what you like. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. You don't need no other body.
Hey guys, so it's a little bit later. It's decided that I'm gonna make the sugar cookies. This is what I was going for, y'all, and this is unfortunately what's gonna have to be got because look, hold on. These cookies have been sitting out for literally so long, and they didn't even have the fall one, so maybe I'm prepping for fall too early because they didn't even have the cookies that I wanted. So I feel like this is the best time to make cookies anyway because, you know, the vibe is just kind of like set. So let's go ahead and do that. Since it's already like, I guess, defrosted or whatever, it's really soft. I'm gonna make them bigger than they usually are. I already washed my hands, so let's just get started. So this is what I'm here. 350 Fahrenheit, 13 to 17 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna turn back off the light because I like the vibe when the lights was off. So y'all just gonna have to deal with the bad light. I'm sorry. Oh my gosh, the kitty is sleeping. Guys, look at the kitty. She's sleeping. Y'all see the vibe? It's very like and great. Okay, we got some butter. All right, y'all. Hopefully this is not chaotic because I don't know. This is my first time making in a while, so we gonna see. Oh my god. Back to the making of the. Now we gonna use this knife and we're gonna cut this open. We're gonna make all the cookies. It's not that much. Oh my gosh, it's really like all melted. So. I'm gonna cut like a little bit. It's so soft, bro. But I'm gonna try and make this like as aesthetic as possible. But I don't know if it can be, but we're just gonna try. And bring your PJ. Isn't this aesthetic, guys? Yes, it is. The circles aren't perfect, but it's okay. I tried. So this is what's left over. I'm gonna put them in the oven. Where am I gonna go this? Okay, I'm gonna put them in the oven for like the time that it said. And then yeah, let me turn on the oven light. I'm gonna do this stay top. I thought I wanna. Y'all need to go watch that story time if you guys haven't. But, we set it for it's like 15 minutes. This one. She burnt the cookies. Ignore this, I have acid on my mouth. She burnt the freaking cookies. Why would you put them at the highest level? Why did she put the cookies. You know how there's different levels of the oven? She put it at the highest one. Why would you do that? Yeah, you have to let them rest now. Okay. I'm gonna get some paper plates so we can eat these cookies. They're getting harder. You have to eat them before they get really hard. Look at my creations. They're a little bit burnt, but it's okay. Let me get some. Let's try them, y'all. Junie, say bye-bye. Say bye. Say bye to the babies, Junie. Junie, say bye to the babies. Y'all, Julie says bye, and I say bye too. Thank you guys for watching me, I guess, kind of like prep for fall, y'all. I got a little bit of maintenance done, shopping done. You know, it was just really giving fall. I had a little Target run. It was a really good way to just kind of step into the new season and embrace that change. Junie, what you want to say? You want to say bye? Okay. All right, bye, y'all.